Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? As you can see, I'm out camping. The buddy, brother from another mother. I'm going to be making first time right on track macaroni and cheese. I got this the other day, a bechamel style mac and cheese. It's a vegetarian meal too, and it comes with a little packet in the back that gives you Parmesan and Cholula, so we'll be using that as well. I think it's a nice touch. So you get the stove fired up so I can cook it. So let's get to it. All right. My stove ready. How's this damn thing go again? There we go. And then the top. And I got. I used these on a previous outing, but I've got these, well, they used to be fatwood, but they kind of dried out, so thought I'd throw a few in. Let's see, we got some all-natural lichen. Using the ferro rod. Come on, focus. Seriously? There you go. Alright, let's rip this sucker open and check out the contents. I had to rip open weird. So you have some cheese sauce. I'm guessing the seasoning for the bechamel. And then you actually have macaroni in here. Cool. Just waiting for the... let's see if I can get this on there without burning myself. Sweet, and I could. So I got 8 ounces of water here. Nice. All right. Just want to make sure I got fuel still. Alright, so according to the directions, you boil 8 ounces of water, which is 1 cup, and then add noodles and boil 3 to 5 minutes. Turn off heat, or in my case, I'll remove it from the stove. Add the cheese sauce and stir, and if you want the optional extra spices, you add those, which I'm going to. So. Alright, we have a boil. We've had a boil. I had to get the camera going. Alright. Spoon. Oh, crap, spoon. Alright, I think it's been 3 to 5 minutes. I seem to have a lot of water in here, but we're going to set it aside. Follow the directions. Double check the directions. Turn off heat. So add noodles and boil, turn off heat, and then add the cheese mix. So I guess I don't have to let it sit. I can just stir in the cheese mix. So let's do that. So here's the cheese mix. It's just powdery, like mac and cheese. Get the knife in here because I'm just trying to be careful not to spill the cheese, and what I do? Spill the cheese. Well, gee whiz. No, you're good. Well, the extra water in there seemed to mix well with the powder, giving it that little extra liquid it needed to. Alright, let's go ahead and add the I'm going to go ahead and add the bechamel. Oh, figures, it easily tears right open. Give that a stir. Oh, it smells really good. Alright. Sweet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese. I want to try it without the Cholula first. Then we'll add it afterwards. Although I'm admittingly a Texas Pete guy. Alright. Alright. Time to taste it. Wow, as it sat, it really thickened up nicely. So, give it a try. Wow. That was a really nice flavor.
That was good.
Mmm. Oh yeah. I could see eating this. Mmm.
Perfect campfire.
Perfect campfire.
Not too big.
Not too small.
Small.
Plenty of heat. Nice cold bed. Assload of wood behind it for more burnage, nighttime fireage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need a 4 foot tall fucking fire.
Yeah, no bonfires here.
Yeah. Excuse my French.
Excuse this French. Alrighty, so final thoughts on the product. I think it's delicious, personally. Would buy again. So, yeah, actually I've got, I don't know if I mentioned it in video yet, but I've actually got 3 more sitting on my porch at home. Because they came in on Saturday, and today is Saturday, and I'm out here camping for the night. There's some complaint I read about having to wash out a pot. Well, just take it down the river. Nice and clean. I mean, the bottom's not really that, but, you know, a little SOS pad when I get home, clean it right up. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Link will be below for the product, for their website. You can go check them out. And have a good one. See you on the next one.